we're comparing.
This meeting is being recorded.
We're recording example 1 and 7 in section 7.2 of the XYZ textbook. So example 1 said, how many square inches are in a square foot? And here's a picture I made with a square foot, 1 foot on one edge, another foot on the other edge. We want to find square inches. So we have to change each of these into inches. If we multiply this bottom foot by 12, then we're making 12 cuts up and down. When we multiply this square foot by 12, we're taking each of these and cutting it. So we're making 12 slices sideways. If we didn't multiply by 12 twice, we would have only the rows, or we'd have only the columns, but we wouldn't finish cutting our brownie into lots of tiny little squares. Everyone see why you can multiply by 12 twice, cut sideways and up and down. Then each of these little brownie squares is 1 square inch. And so there's 12 times 12, so 144 of them. Now we're doing the same thing. So instead of a square foot, we have a square meter. See if I can write behind my back. I have a meter here. And a meter here. Like before, we have to change both of those into millimeters. So I can't draw it small enough, but if I cut them up and down, if I make all these little cuts there, then how many different millimeters will I get on the bottom from my meter?
100.
That would be centimeters.
So 1,000 and then
1,000. Yeah, milli is like 1,000. So that's 1,000 millimeters. And I can't draw 1,000 little cuts, but you can just imagine that. And similarly, this meter, I also have to change. I'm going to make 1,000 sideways cuts so that this edge gets cut 1,000 times.
So knows my phone.
Yeah, so we can play with it. Yeah. So there you go. Everyone okay with that? So now it's again, areas times width. That's a little bit boring. So 1,000 times 1,000. So the 1 times 1 is 1, and we have 6 zeros, so we get 1,000,000. And we have to label it correctly. Square millimeters. But exactly the same process. Take each, draw the picture. Any side that needs swapping, swap. And sometimes the GED will be annoying and they won't match. Maybe this one is in feet, but then this one starts out in inches for something. But whatever they ask you for, if they want it square inches, first make sure everything matches the goal. And then it's just your area one wrong.